Hey, Tim here. It's July 7th. I dang I didn't realize I ended up going picking up my granddaughter and grandson, my daughter. We went to Augusta. I didn't realize that the 4th of July was 6 months that my wife passed away. Been half a year already. But it's uh it's crazy. Boy, I feel like I'm going in a big spiral. Feel like the cheese is slipping off my cracker again. I dang It was a great time. I'm back to where I started, that sleeping thing again. I was lucky to get 4 hours broke up. That's about what I'm doing again. Um we had a good time, went out there, uh her and her husband and two granddaughters, and like I say, my daughter took the old RV, parked out front. It was great. It was it was awesome. We went to fireworks and um ran around a little bit. We stayed out there all day. I got out there about 10 o'clock, and it was a hoot. But like I say, it brings back memories and stuff, and I guess that's why I'm back not sleeping. I mean, I didn't realize it was the 4th was the day, and well, maybe I subconsciously did, because the night before that, I couldn't go to sleep, man. I was up like, I probably didn't go to bed till 3 o'clock in the morning. Still got up at like 5:30. And since I've been back, that's all I've been to, is not sleeping. But like I say, we had a great time. The dang she had some pictures she was going to give me that I had wanted, and we actually at night we ended up playing cards in the camper while all the kids were inside. My daughters, and her husband, and we played till like 5 in the morning, and had a blast. It was great. But I just every time I get together or they come over, I just don't want to start shying away from my family, because when they come over and leave, it's right back down this little speck on these acres, and it's just hard. And like I say, when I drop them off and all that stuff, and because like I only got 2 hours sleep when I was over there, so I ran on about 4, broke up, did all that stuff, got about 2 hours sleep, and then drove back. I was I had 4 cigarettes left when I got back too. Guess I got to pack more next time. But like I say, I feel like I'm going crazy, boy. I don't want to, like now. I don't want to slide back into this deal. I need to get back on action is law. That's what was helping me out before, was the damn keeping busy and pulling my focus back and realizing, everything around me are just things, regardless if my wife has something to do with it or whatever. And so, I mean, I haven't messed up. I'm still doing my workouts, my rituals, and all that stuff, reading, writing, all that. Like I say, I just don't want to shy away from my family, which I feel like I need to be doing to get my stuff together. But it took my daughter 3.5 months to get out here after she passed away. I got her buried up front, and she said it was because she didn't want to, deal with it. And I was like, I actually drove out there without telling them, and I was like, look, it's like this, man. You come back another 6 months or a year, it's going to be hashing it up again, and then I got to go through this whole thing again. So that's what's going to make me keep going, seeing family and being with family and making memories, so that I can get through this and it won't bring it back up on down the road. Because I've seen too many people let death take their life over, and they pretty much died with them. And I know it's hard, but anyway, I'm doing this channel. I ain't trying to make no damn money at it or nothing, man. Like, share, subscribe, pass it around, come back and see me. Please give me note or comment down below and see if you can give me some advice. I don't know, maybe these are helping some people out too. It might help people out. I mean, because I know I got to be right. I know keeping busy and doing new things and building things like this right here, boy. I'm starting to I wanted these wide tires on the front, and they were hitting the front well, but I was checking out my wheelbase. I got them ebooks down there. Check them out. One's free. The other one's pretty cool. Get you a damn something going online, make some money, get out of the rat race. Like I say, I'm working on this wheelbase, and what I did is the wheelbase is supposed to be 111 inches, and it's actually an inch back, and there's that's where it was nicking. Well, on the other side, this is off a ½ inch. So I got my centers. I used a level in the middle of that hubcap. It's probably not perfect, but this side was off a ½ inch back too far, and that side's off just a little over an inch. So I'm gonna squat down in the dirt and get that pulled out, see if them tires, because I really didn't want to stagger these tires. I like these big wide tires. And excuse the mess, I got back from my trip and didn't do nothing. That's what I'm saying. I need to start focusing, and instead of letting my mind wander so much. But I don't know, I've had this thing since 2019. No, 2019. That's how fast time goes, I guess. But I'm gonna get that straightened out. Just one of them things I want to do. I mean, I got a bunch of stuff. I've been over this body a few times, and it just keeps rotting back out of me, on me. But that's what I'm saying. I don't know. Get back in touch with me. See if you can help me out. I'm gonna do everything I can to keep visiting family and stuff. I mean, I've been talking to my daughter for hours, and she don't seem to mind. I mean, it ain't been boohoo. It's just been chuckling around and talking, because that's what we do, and that's what you do as a family. But anyways, I'm gonna work on this. I still got to do all my rituals this morning. It's been so damn hot out here, boy. Yesterday it was like it was 98, and it said real feel 110, and I was like, damn. I mean, it rained, and then it was raining with the sun out, and I come back out here, boy, you couldn't hardly breathe. It was so humid. But like I say, my mind started wandering again. I come out here and started dinking with this, boy. I was wringing in sweat. Had to take my second shower of the day. But anyhow, come back and see me. I got a groovy little skit at the end of this thing. I don't know. Well, stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh, nobody. That's living, baby.
No, 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 no.